show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
This is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Krusty.
Make some noise, come on, shout!
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
So listen, I'm made, thank God I'm made. I'm made, I've come this far by grace. I made it, thank God. I've come this far. Everybody say I made it. Thank God I made it. I made it. I've come this far. Everybody say
the mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
I tried it. That's right. Come on. Never be afraid.
Don't you be afraid.
Share.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Troubles they don't last away.
Just you know that.
For there's a friend in Jesus.
Always wiping tears.
Will wipe your tears away.
You have a broken heart.
And if your heart is broken,
Everybody. Joy comes in the morning. Trouble never lost always. Yeah. Remember, there's a when everybody say,
Oh, there's a friend in Jesus.
He will forever wipe your tears. And if your heart is broken, come on, what you gonna do?
Just lift your hands and say,
I know. Everybody say,
I know that I can make it.
Shabu, boo, yee, boo, boo,
I
yee,
know that I can stand.
no matter what,
No matter what
sing it.
come my way,
Jesus, my life.
life is in
One more time.
your hands.
With Jesus,
Jesus, I can take it.
with Him I know.
With Him I know I can stand.
No matter
No matter what
come your way.
come my way,
Jesus, my life.
life is in
One more time with Jesus.
Jesus. I can take it.
You will never, 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 never forsake.
Him I know I
The
can
Mid
stand.
Morning Show.
No.
No matter what may come my way,
Jesus, my life.
life is in your hands.
Love you is who you
The
people.
Mid Morning Show. The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
My joy comes in the morning. And the muscle, I can say. Call the coco, sasa. Sasa, my river.
Have a blessed day.
No,
The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day.
Tests and trials
Come on,
can seem to get you down.
for all your friends and loved ones.
All your friends
The Mid Morning Show. The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Remember,
remember there's a friend in Jesus.
always one in Jesus.
Will wipe your tears away.
And if you are,
And if your heart is broken,
everybody, what you gonna do?
just lift your hands and say,
Repeat it again, say,
your tests and trials
yeah, yeah.
seem to get you down.
To all your
The
friends
Mid
and
Morning
loved
Show.
ones.
The Mid Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Know it to be found.
I know what to be found.
There's a friend.
Remember
Mexico comes from Buse.
who wipe your tears away.
And if you heart is,
And if your heart is broken,
everybody, what you gonna do?
just lift your hands and say, oh, I know that I can make it.
Shaba Bali Baba. Hey.
That I can stand.
Right, so wonderful good morning. Come up you are the Casa Fidia 93.3 of It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. And on this note, I want to say Yankopon Shrat Tuesday for you now. Coming out for now for you, I've been out for. The part of BB, I want to say. And the 9th July 2024. And of course, no matter what you may pass through, no matter what may come your way, our life will still be in the hands of God. Because your son who I ain't to me mopo, you could grow with your son home mopo. I was be a watch more about 93.3 FM. So, as I 45 minutes after 10, was so good. So I would say a Adwuma-Adwuma. A dear me just a Jenny me champion Kobina Water. I went to my friend Kobina Kosti, and I say a brand for the perfect gentleman. Over to me, I joined Jumedi on Facebook. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. You can as well send me a text on 0533-898915. Today happens to be your birthday. Your friend Esther Naboy Anan. Your birthday. Mano can come, but anyway, happy birthday and come out. Esther Naboy Abena Anan. and they were with that. Uncle Punshran on your Cassiopa. So she's my ex. Yeah. And then my ex birthday. The American come up. Alright, so yeah, the daily dose of motivations, bro. And never call classroom. Did you know? And did you know, super bro? Here on 93.3 FM. Now, and experiment because somewhere
You have a broken heart.
1960s, now experiments in that course, up to now, Obibian to me, maybe.
You don't have.
As a matter of fact, I've done a record. So I'll share with you today on Did You Know? Stay tuned, man. Kobebia. The family Kobina Acoustic once again show produced by DJ Kobe K. I'm fine check and come out Bibi Ado Casafidia to a beer Mamina Rocono. I have a long list, in fact, a tall list. So make I break it down. And then I did the kind. And now the Casafidia to her. The more Koba Casiapa. I chim or down ECG for it. Ye church Yamuna from General Manager, the Kosi DT or the Kosi wine technicians, the see cleaner, the security. Ye Chamuna Yamamomo Nijuma Mo Yamamopa Damasepamo. Ave Mr. Orbit, what to say? Ave so and come on, Papa Mr. Chumesi. I said the phone name back up here no fashion. Mr. William Beck. That they are not pay me job. Ave Yamba Bompire Johnson, Nanaya, Natural Look Beauty Salon. Good morning. SDA Johnson, I think says them say light for her. Them say light for SDA. I think Chagashi and come on, Bram Michael. Good morning and come on. And I say good morning, so and come on, Mama Hannah. The girls, Nina, Bana, Gobena, Bing, and Coconos, why already? What you chat onions and so go home. Go check your share. Parties Golden Caesars. And also to Gabby of level 360 pop. And all the girls at level 360 pop. I don't pay a change. Ashida Beauty Salon. Good morning. Marsha Beauty Salon. Emmanuel Amawuga. I want to say Dependable Beauty Salon. Yaji Wakameni Junction. And I feel quality fashion. Mr. Sari. Pepper Chopin. I want to say. And also to Brad David. All the taxi drivers in town. Brad Kwame Okeshena Pierrot. Obama, I want to say. So, hey, Chen, you made that Kenya bet was higher 93.3 FM. The family Kobina Costi. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful and a blessed day.
Yeah, yeah. To all your friends and lovers. I know it to be found. Remember days of friends. Mexico comes for Bruce. And if your heart is broken, everybody, what you gonna do?
Just lift your hands and say, oh, I know that I can make it.
I know that I can stand.
No matter what may come my way.
Jesus, my life.
My life is in your hands. With Jesus, I can take it.
With Jesus, I know.
With Him, I know I can stand.
Amen.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Oh, I can't believe it. Can we say, actually. That's right. Come on. Never be afraid.
Don't you be afraid.
Share.
Joy comes in the morning.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Just you know that.
For there's a friend in Jesus.
Always wiping tears.
Wipe your tears away.
You have a broken heart.
And if your heart is broken,
Everybody, what you gonna do?
just lift your hands and say,
You don't have to worry.
come back to worry.
Master said, you go.
Don't you
Aya.
be afraid.
Joy comes in the morning.
Joy comes in the morning.
Trouble never lost always.
Trouble stays.
Remember, there's a friend. Everybody say,
For there's a friend in Jesus.
He will forever wipe your tears.
Wipe your tears away.
And if your heart is broken,
And if your heart is broken,
come on, what you gonna do?
just lift.
Right, so when chair, yeah, the daily dose of motivations in the Bible. Now, what do you say? Daily dose of motivations so I color studios and they go to embroidery. And another Roman, I did and crown share as some of the brown of Pebia, me wanna. So, color studios and they go to embroidery at Roma, and I did and crown share as some at the bro. Of course, color studios to check on watch more than Liberty Transport, the opposite Kinop Pharmacy. I'll pay what's your bra. Say banning funny. Say be our open home, all tour body, engagement program be our be here photographer. Now, what on side of color studios and digital embroidery. I just say wedding photographies. And now for your banner embroidery works in so yeah, school crest, yeah, church Lacoste embroidery, face tower embroidery, cap embroidery. Na ye bi o ya so police uniform embroidery na buy so ya be so two needs. Color studios a check on watch modern Liberty Transport opposite Kinop Pharmacy. My patron in the income was 0245 276638. 0245 276638. So you be call and crash as unim must be number traveler and the panos are sending me a message or what have me status as sending me a message. I want to must number traveler. I ask but Joe busy in the meantime me who ni pakro me anga sakra yeah some granny. Be a gra. Right, so young crash share as so and an pay now for young fat Jumedia Kenina and Twaso. So I'm not paying crash as yeah because about papaya. I say obey papa na papa do when near. So in go for assemble your can say the ripple effect of kindness is infinite. Say, doing good is not just about grind gestures, baby. But it's about little things we do every day. And it's about showing up, being present, and being a source of love and light in the world. of others. I mean, saying nkofo here, more nkofo here, odo nkofo here, arechitre. Aha. I'm sure ready. Iti papa yon. Gumu ahudu pi. Pacho ni awu fisha ubiti maya bobi na waya maobi. Thought I nyasa wo mo bi sikan kwa na chese o ye ne papa. Obi wo honma wo hia listening ear. Obi wo honma owo problem bi mo opobi ama ne tie ni keke. Opobi eni ne din komo keke. Opobi eni na share the problems ne keke. Otu na nia hwe bia onyo bia. Because woman want to hunyina ya omo sebi ya busy ya busy o sa akofo no busy body. Nenso se obi nya abotre etie na ohu se sani pa no nanka sabi o o adwendwen bebre nenso ne onye obi tie ni ndi no e problems back home you be efi na brabo. So in a nutshell, on doing good, it's not about mami sika, mami japadie, boame wo, financially, and I bibisa debi. Sometimes being present in someone's life, and also boapa, giving the person a listening ear, being around a situation. Nipa has a feeling nah, this situation I don't think anyone will come near me. And I say, Papa ketwa bia obeya mobi no. It's a sunny pan life. It's a sunny pan brabo. It's a sunny pan tibia nko woms imprembring. And kakra bia obeti ma bia na wa ye. Yeah, my family be metwe mu ma. Maybe I may say unless I don't have the resources or I don't have the strength to do what maybe I will free me chain. But say me won kwan dia why not? I will do it. Me won kwan dia me. So there's this woman. Oh, it didn't free me. Trim say ABM. There's mama bi wa abo here. In fact, Ahenkan FM ye chi ye. Na me ni shia da me hu ni baby ada. Enti me gina ye na ho no one day I think my point ma ba na me coffee enti me gina ho. And na mami ba no dey ade kire me e wo paper so. The chairman no dey ne had to me say oh we be say I'm say oh mama no problem. Mama wen kwa I say ai. Mama no problem me yama. It's me force ro na ma ho de nkakra me wo no. And I'm the prepare ade na chi neat ya de mama me. But last month and last 2 months. No, I think last month bomb. Me wo ha na auntie C e frame me say obi abreme nam on na o de kwhye ne fridge mama me. Enti se me ba ejuma na ma beji. I say oh no problem. And I make hu ade fine. Be 1 week time na me call that mama na say. Kobi and me ba ejuma. And na mama na sa de abreme no. Papa kiti biya be papa fia yenya papa biya mpo. Papa fia biya me ye. So ya kana make a chant say what is him? Mami ni wa me wa pa. Ade kiti hu no say sa na ni party. Obi wo ho no ma ompe ade kakraka biya mpato teni o. Obi wo ha ompe ade kakraka biya ye den e de fru nchen. Ebi ketwa biya be ye mo obi in fact the ni so we come on very much appreciative of whatever you do for them. Obi wo no ma. E san say ne wo fa amani 2000, no man 500 inti o say ne wo fa nye hwe ma no. Ye onkofo sa ho, me wo fa obo ankofo o ye say onye hwe ma me da. Obe come as now for ma 500 cities every month too. But wo think I pay 2000, but of fa 500 inti of anya hwe ma o. Obra bi nanka o se nka sika bi o de koye business no apala ho kakra bi di ama. But this one say sika no enso nti wo so bra na nya hwe ma. Boni ayefo bia no wo ye ne papa ya ade ma me aye me fama What's the fia the piabio? Mr. Share. Man, open my namsa. Marjin namsa. Where's never no me day? Oh, my Michelle. Missy for my measure. I didn't have a but over there. Missy for sure, preparation. Right, so you try and waba. You cover now for you. You made that Kenya that to wash the mount. In fact, I make a chat one say, oh, hi, papa. And yet, Chinchanchi, we are the Kakabia. Oh, China, may yes, guns my old papa, may China my yans and my papa, may China may see, may train the beat. No. As a sank of four papa. Sack it, no. Obi any so, Obi any J, Sapia, Bino. Obi was Brian Yamishao, Sister Yamishao, Mammy Yamishao, Papa Yamishao. And look, can be a crime brave at the manipa. My boss is a hero, Kobe Casey. This guy, he go call me hey hero. My boss is here.
Famuko na yarube de muntum gra. Yesu bebrebe ya besim we yi ana.
Bra kwesi, me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, ava one herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na mixture me kira ava one herbal mixture so de malaria sro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobobi. Omodo so nya na drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumien. Wo ye malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne ava one herbal mixture. Wa akimoda open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kinop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules ne measure peking crime FDA aje ejwedi nkrato yato
mido asa na de fia ehrampa o
ha eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no
eno so ye supira na
eye JA ban ni enko limited ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no enyoma ni se bebre
niema bi te se dan na wo ho
ban zo ne nansen kwada enyoma ni ate se wan eye parazo enu ana me de sie
mido me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro na ade ba de na wo de ahohura poto bi de ise
eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata asusu nyina so ate se wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eye JA Bani snake reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won se hu ana enu aso na me de wo horo ncha se mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Bani wo mo nioma no wo benya bi ato wo kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wo bu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po mu atu a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
eye JA Bani and Call Limited
ja me dru ho sesi a
Hi, your friend foreman. Mejuma sweni enti obia pemasem. Sa wodi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se usika enko waste. Enti me tomenyo nyina free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Enti sa wo cement, gasem, diamond ana se simaf. Nyina obenye bi ato Mr. Mensa ana chairman Mensa nchen. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa Nibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paint, home champ, big and as a small size. Nina, Ubenye Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit the form.
I just wanna rock you.
Asem papa bi amati oye asem papa bi amati offer oye
Asem papa be na watia offer oye ye di asem de no
oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa anwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wafuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma ono ba no eso doso
kuafo ni ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
enu so tirimani je esanse offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye de kama na besusu se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944669. Any baby I talk where you know maybe
offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby I offer. Offer kakrebis no buy no.
Mafili, esana chile. How ye guy? Minya, baby, I betina jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. Be an apon atohama. Obi your person your birthday. Obi your person your graduation. Make sure empon home. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Sike tue bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games biaso no. Bra. Na behwe. Your secure car park. Jack. Your security airtight. Your mantra top ha. Fita phone mu ha and I be level 360 pop Jack oh no boys oh no girls munina mum brani enji ni besre 0540535777 0540535777 na jinchire mu achi me level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Go ahead.
sort of as you send your running. You are send David Dimao. You are coming yourself. Strong tia me. I want my dream was my share Bobby. Now this is a massive baby. You say me sad dear fair fair. I say the campaign I'm your mentee. The brother and never brain. The tear was sing. Daliana Makayo. Obana sana senya. Sapuma chane no. Adi eni munu wano panso. Yes, sakani anyene ni mwana juo. Oh dear, darling, I can never live without you. Drop from the chin of me bones, to one dream, not over here, me. You was in there, David Dimao. You walk on and you said, you cross you. Woo, yeah, I can never live without you. Drop from the chin of me bones, to one dream, not over here, me.
Right, so 28 minutes after 11. About your weather, not to say, you won't say, and I know me about office, and 90 minutes, I'm sure, minimum only a weather forecasters there. Makuja, who didn't show you one, I say, Charlie, oh, send a real way, and we are bono. Because I'm power. This side, show who the one we are nippy, you are nippy. If I try one want in a pie, and I still with my kuzu. There, am I be jais? I dear, you know, I think it's about 6-7 years ago. That time, I'm with you, and I'm SDA. Now, mommy be SDA. You are feeling gas and hola. I'm not too bro Benny's I'm Mikuta Samsung phone bia. Oh, I will say sometimes your phone secretary show you whether a show like it's over tall, you have a boy will be a sunny day, all of that. Now maybe you know minim semi phone no say Indian kwala na yes Samsung phone no minim. Until one day me now mommy friend me. Oh, come now, brother. Oh, shot, and then so a ton is what though. As oh, I'm a champion phone also. I'm much sunny. Just say we are Bob. I like catch up. I saw me go 7 years old. Catch up, mommy. So, oh, and then we are baby born was into my age, ma'am. Oh, yeah, my age, man. Judge, man. Sure, but that forecast, papa, yeah, my age, man. And I'm a me soldier. A bobo man, the jay sum soye. Or they pine cacacano de bachi at the end of the season, or the angwa gum. And the angwa in a Satan, Yankopon, eh? e mo bia nchana nyi Nyankopon asase so obey your crown says here as papa isu emuna anya hwe o de isu ato sa da no mami ne mu chia mu nyina by 3 days no until we soja beso by 3 days na me fa hobby me see amaje ho na ma fa chiro ha na ko fa ba bia si from pon si abronsan no na ya fro ho body em na wom na me ko fie na sababu sam ze isu beto na ewia bebo by 1 week na me ko to fon foforo azo sa India fon kwala yo mu amoye fon mu ha adwen ba sada na ma me na ngo nyina o di bibi katazo Hana mi tumi mvuse me efi na ko me menya weather forecaster iso beto e wo rade nsem e be gba e wo rade nsem e bo be gba e wo rade nsem ehum betu e wo rade nsem besere mo o ma menwe mo Ramayanya birthday we na fei yan ton ade kakra again your friend me come na cost you happy birthday and for enkoma my ex-girlfriend. So happy birthday to you, Esther Adwuma-Adwuma On She's the CEO of Estelle Finest. Charlie, I go point your kesiye. Na wakoma swadi nyina embremu. Na nyako ponya wado na nya be ma papa o cheme. Onze minuja onze onyu obi o cheme. Ami na etwa o kalo. Unyo boy I give me back so me back I am not coming back me bonzo me ya me ko back so once again happy birthday fan come on Esther Adwuma-Adwuma On Estelle Finest. She's the CEO I mean you can see pa na where the say you Yoruba for anabeba as a Yoruba for Ibia when you come, yes, tap alive. Oh, there be. Alright, so 33 minutes after 11. Yanton there. Family can found call level 316 because and then you may. So this one I spoke to Esther. Then you may call level 360 pub. Come here, today go count. Yeah, bro, around. Yeah, because Esther birthday the next year. You better send one level 360. So level 360 pop. And then no be a eba. Birthday ni be a guy. What they say? And just I want to see me be a when be the birthday. And now one kasana will do birthday. Now upe baby I bet na celebrate. Baby atmosphere near come on. You have a Bible Mount Kania, every Mount Yom, your DJs, your MCs. You have a good time. Level 360 pop. Every out in your birthday, I am home and I engagements. Bra, your space will hold my waiting at Tana. On your ho now I have a good time. Level 360 pop with the giant ISO from Monday to Sunday. Ye jinemu. Bra, never have a good time. And you know, if you are looking for an ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast, look no further than level 360 pop. Your mantra, Jubilee Hospital, Quinozo. And of course, we've got it all from great music to delicious drinks and lively atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. Level 360 pop. We're there for you. So whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fine night out with friends, Level 360 Pub is the place to be. Our friendly staff will make sure you have an unforgettable experience, serving you up with your favorite cocktails and ice cold BS with a wide range of music genres from the throwback hits to the latest classic. Our talented DJs will keep the dance floor packed and the energy high. At your Level 360 Pub for an ultimate pop experience. Be a point to Hamobia and again. Oh dear. smoking is prohibited. The only pub I watch now, we know the smoke. It's wait, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I need to tell you guys, I am sorry. If you are thinking of coming to smoke at level 360 pub, we are sorry. Yeah. Because your person will be about have a good time. You will be a sabi or sepi alcohol be no pe smoke. What you say? Obi no man no problems be no. But trans na wa drink honey ade. Now so be who ha go no so. Ade. In fact, ye penisa wo. Because only your person executives in 24 teacher form 24 bankers, doctors. In fact, obi bia ti be baby o enye like professional alone. But obi bia no feel say oh, me no me person me tran baby a. You know, boys and twetwe nyoma fangu mi so no. Yes bra, but san level 360. Obi a won the ode na juma, yes so ye juma de ye de ni. Yes say am twetwe. There be but now say come and have a very nice time. DJ ball nyom high life music. About the throwback, about the classic latest. Then you have a ball now at trance and now feel good atmosphere on. Come along with your wives, with your girlfriends, with your side chicks, with your OBBR for the bra. The patch of 0540 535 777 0540 535 5777 level 360 pop. My ultimate pop experience. And now Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason. Sissy are the marine the boat, you know. Then channel BIA tunnel. Because I don't know Tom marine the boat, papa. Marine the boat, you know. What him say? Say one top papa, my money say. My money here be a hobby as and Qualabias apprentice be the bay Jumano. I will top up on Quandia. Those idea I come idea films are with a professional and a Pepper Choco top up our Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mason. I feel say a POP now pay. And I would always still bender. And you know, Iron Ross who you are now with you. The show baby I've been an boy for at that form come upon from 16mm to quarter roads. Brad Jump Trading Enterprise. I feel per plaster balls. Now plaster balls and so if you share my who say, yeah, ya trust so cannot for no and a papa. And also and Mr. Mensa at home. At the Brad Jump Trading Enterprise, say be out there no per cement, or your masonry contractor, open cement cement, open diamond cement, and say gas cement, it's at Pong. Brad Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa be an appoint to Homo Bibia. The chair can watch him or down coming junction. But sister what fancy I rebin quanta and amasi a jobie. Maybe I should be on or batch him or down or say, if I call a coming junction. A coming junction. Drua on it Jaji and the young shading what coming junction. Drupe was Mr. Manson. Maba, me to a radio so I want him kind to Mama Bay. Cobanasa me banner so Nyaka send me to a radio so I can kind pay. Oma Hobiano, I just see a dinner book or that phone book on so. The patch of 0208 123 872 0208 123 872 and 0244 566 880. From Pon Enterprise, Adwuma-Adwuma. Now I just who jiro what the papa J. Now from Pon Enterprise, it's a bra. Provisions in the baby. Ya kasi ya bobo wonyome wo shop ho a. Ya di show ni na be na ya di news account, ya di lunch account. Possibly ya di drive on so be kan ho na ade because enyoma wo from Pon Enterprise wo no. Papa Joe a dozen. Esan se obi age atum se wo ton quality na affordable goods into no. Make sure say the nyoma no won't be out of stock. The debia na bebre na in a good warehouse near there. It's a sign not just say the full forever. The from Pon Enterprise shall brabbe di draft from Pon Enterprise I be na pon ato hwa e dwedi for wo mo person wo ton ade no nyam fa so bra from Pond Enterprise. Provisions ben apesawoto. Open macro ben African Queen and now Baba and I say Lily. Oba from Pond Enterprise abenye open cooking oil a hodo bia. Mo amope sunflower bi wo ho. Mo amope junoli. Mo amope fried to ankasa ebi wo ho. And afi other brands are kenyina. Oba Jumewura from Pond Enterprise. Afi ba tin tomatoes. Ope so bush stew. And since be ope testy tom. Gino ana de akabia no oba pamone. Oba boni de bi ni ho. Nyina we call air from Pond Enterprise abenye bi. Afi biscuit ahodo enche be school. As next week 12 for se bibisa na enkwala ni be ko school. Me pa choma mo pe Kivo Gary. Kivo Gary mix no ma try bi pa. I saw the last time made it twice. Ibigai wa go from Pond Enterprise. Na go pe bi ma kwala na ofan ko school. Afa ba no toffees, biscuits, detergents from Pond Enterprise. Drinks that who doing now from Pond Enterprise. About the cosmetics from Pond Enterprise. Electrical accessories from Pond Enterprise. Young crab tani de Joe achimodan ha. Ya che amana so bi ato. Enti mo am free Old Town. Mo am free Roman Hall. Bibia me manager ma me wo no. Ho cry e fro ho sem crampo. Roman down e kan for front so mo ho nyina. Moba from Pond Enterprise na woman there in a hotel hall. Na mumbe dija. Mumbe ton nyoma mumbe usampa ready atwa dia atwa. Ba had any boy 4. And afei ye call new market so mo new sakomono. Mo jodro. Mo asumdue. Mo ada. More SDA, more estates, bungalow, a mantra, quantenum, and I'll fake camp top wing in a one called new market branch and all. But me, I'll be a down boy. What's the boy areas, Nina? I'll be typical down boy. It's you know, I won't call from Pond Enterprise. There were new markets, one on. Now, won't go digger. Provisions are who doing na wenye bi wo ho na fe also asum ajo come up afa se oba Absa Bank na also am try me share areas e ho the Absa Bank was on a serve omo biti hine abronsan na se ho line no e na mo PWD camp ho mo Telaboatin lane mu mo Morning Star ho mo Jamaica mo Presby ho and afi mo EP Church ho no ha Charlie Abiodun boy Monina Mombra Absa Bank the opposite na Mumbedija ho drinks for ho electrical accessories for ho provisions for ho cosmetics for ho na Mumbedija 0244897525 02064735 na 0242111236 from Pond Enterprise Jumewura the Papa Che Mame found Koichra ya K Afranin Enterprise K Afranin se bra what's there bra na beto car ties na ade what the car ties hunkuto adwuma na wo eye wo ho asa yanka twi enti wudru K Afranin Enterprise one ma mo amutwi tracks kese no mo benya ne ties wo ho mo amutwi small cars mo benya ne ties wo ho mo amope wrench cables mo pe perfect hook and shackles for timber cars ina K Afrani ever sort o se bra after per transformer oils wo ma mo ye welders ni wo ma mo ye fridge repairers ni ade nyina mo ba K Afrani Enterprise mo benya mo ho akade nyina e wo ho ya wa abo Asani Road ufri abo a won sabonkum so answer na wo Kim State University ba ufri Asani na about the outer Kim State University na you were right after new edubiase ye wo fitem Asana Blue Forest one or anywhere. Mr. Friend was 0537 997 412 and 0542 889071. Okay, Afranin Enterprise. ODI Electronics. Open television, air condition, open fridge, washing machine, rice cooker, blender, ceiling fan. Yeah, they just name them. Over ODI Electronics. Make sure you that. Now ODI, I cannot say me woman say. ODI, hono. Adi apesa utobiano. Se usika answa ya sebra. Yama unjina gauge neti. Yesi bra room. Right inside. Na bra na. Bet you see the open. After what you see we are. You see ABR product no 1,000 cedis. Buy me 500. It's in patch 500 you know. Na. Mama me ade na dey afei dey akenya medwa no kakran from ba cho mo frɛ 0550 900 600 afei next time na me sere no bibi na distract me na me sere ba cho mo nim say na Branders birthday Branders no of Ahenkan FM ene e birthday na awrewo se me wa asem nu say on kind birthday da no but on a more serious note one ono ohun ni say normal say on kind birthday I just say any kind no I just say na oh Endra and AJ kind say chalo channel birthday obi say say o channel da AJ so channel 9 for say oh shit you ma dwin da no enye Endra nko last me ni share Ahenkan FM for 4 years ni afi bia ye na kind say o birthday 9 July be pa cho obi na ye abrante na no na ye no ho me we dey me o stiem na we spiritual person na we in fact we informer na me pa chopa hey nim say today be today Charlie I swear today they be today kasa oh forget you never come next year na my kai say na the birthday no obi birthday crowd no why say nkwan am obi na no ne de and then Tuesday, we patrol one back can see a numerous of a show beyond one palm ranches. Say nothing by your shoe now. Mammy can't admit to me. Come to me, can't admit to so. Mammy can't admit to me. Say nothing your shoe now. Me, I go dash some 200 CDs. And then, say nothing, obey Juma, but now I yale, wada. On the birthday, be yale, to mana wada. Patromo be unfriend, wada or yale, or be Juma. But send a hunt to town, no Benjamin na me 200 cities. Happy birthday to Nelson Kwesi Wusu. Nelson Kwesi Wusu, happy birthday, Mia. Programs manager of Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And then they know, and then, Obe Koma racing chance dance. But if I not touch me problem is say how on earth will a person forget his own birthday? Hey, oh then can one day maybe I once be last year na refuse oh maybe because of stress be near there. But one person every year be someone has to remind you of your birthday. Hey, this issue before look into it proper. Me patrol wow we a spiritual person when you go from 0245204895. From na interest with my boy me new year. What's that? I feel be on the review in the birthday. Just say, I listen to the review. And fan on kite. Me say down Kobe. We did it down the way. I did the reminder. I'm saying tomorrow be his birthday. Or say I or China that big. I'm not trying knife. Oh shit. Me review. Hey, rather Jacobo. Koulibaly. And that there. I just said. Anyway. Yeah. But anyway, she have a course now for you. Did you know? You be a classroom, and of course, a very necessary. You see a classroom now. Did you know? The bro na property. You didn't see show nature. Come back, you send me something. Okay. Now, yet what was Kulibali message you are your message in we are now for your core classroom. Kulibali said, don't worry, we will guide him today. Charlie, I beg you, make people guide down for me. What else over try just one hour me hoofing. Over try now me hoofing. I revisit me so chance in the so miss me be a mic. But try now me hoofing. And then me pacho. Hey, that person make canon. I come the one in my be or tongue sad any be will crow yeah. So never have one pamono. But what the idea only the birthday. That's about today I want spend on you. It's my ask permission from manager. And then the nurse in patrol. Oh yare, see the name no go hospital. Tia no Adwuma. Or chana no aba. Na me found call level 360 and there. Na ko have a good time. What you say? Because and then the other oh yare and the municipal now crowd oh. Kulibali hospital for say. Divine. But now we divine the dada. We divine you know. Yeah area. Manager. Yes sir. What you say? Penny for the omote kasa bebre ase. Right, so you're in classroom. Now we have just about 8 minutes. Now you're far and see at the end yenko. Internet, did you know segment, you know? Somebody can catch you in the beginning of the show, no? In 1964, I did ABC. Now I didn't see no. Now and yet to say be a nipano or shut down away. Nemo not among the year experiments, scientists. Experiments. Now they see this my friend Randy Gardner. Now okay, so you go back to 1964. He was only 17 years. Oh yes, I know. So he set a record for the longest time without sleep. Longest time without sleep. Randy Gardner was just 17 years in 1964. Enipa wanankasa tena asasi so a wose onda on katanani on tonko na wada second Jesus second Yankopon. Oye 11 days which is 264.4 hours. 11 days. And this feat was monitored by the scientists who observed and documented his physical and mental state throughout Jumedianina. Now, I want here for a purpose, for a reason. I want here because they wanted to set a record or they wanted to break a record. No. But non person mo say obiti asasi so na o say me de adwuma nti menya honda de bia ma ye busy adwuma nti na se enipa no anda for ebia 1 week den enebeye no enti abrantie yi eyi ne ho siwo Randy Gardner as an experiment. So okay, when I grew up I want to be a scientist. So growing up among scientists, na say bibi say more person more running out an experiment there. I think say I'm the best person. I was somebody else. So he was just 17 years. So Gardner experiment was conducted under the supervision of Dr. William C. Dement. Oh no? So okay. Sleep research in or a renowned person and confirm say no, this man he's into this. I mean, he's a great scientist. It is a obinda. I guess on the insomnia no, and yeah no answer one. But this is obia intentionally a jumanti on that on ton compo nawada. AG for 11 days. And now oh yeah shadiano. Now listen. Omo they're not more penal. Results no more penal. They had it. 80 after 11 days, you know. Randy Gardner. He experienced be a friend of hallucination. Hallucination, more like high fever. Me who say na me kan no twi mu na te ase. Enye dam. Ena enye Kulibali, I hope say hallucination adwum yale right. Ade na eni ho but onka. Ade na ni ho but who say na me say na me say na me say. I say at the calling you like what's in some. Let me see what Kulibali just sent. What's in some ade ni ho but who truly there e wo honum. And I was hearing or seeing things that aren't real. Yes, so that is hallucination. You know, on Randy Gardner, after 11 days, you know, in normal or experience, you know, and again he experienced memory lapses, mood swings. Who's the 2 minutes be another mood as swing. Now I say kakra, I say he's in a happy state, or as in a raho. As a one who's added the mood swing exercises there, and Albania coordination problems, and also Albania blood pressure for 11 days now. One down problems, physical and mental symptoms are ushia, hallucination, memory lapses, mood swings, coordination problems, and increased heart rate and blood pressure. After finally getting some rest, Gardner slept for 14 hours straight and reported feeling fully recovered. 11 days, you know. Okay, tomorrow we show on Facebook, you know, this is his picture. He was just 17 years. And you know. He was just 17 years. And so you know, up to now, Obi Anya Saturday, Obi An set his record no for 11 days straight. Nipa and die 11 days, no one die. It was just an experiment they were doing, and after the experiment, which was supervised by Dr. William C. Dement, you know, Omunya some physical and mental symptoms, which includes hallucination, memory lapses, mood swings, coordination problems, and the increased heart rate and blood pressure. And in the nutshell, the person are training and say, if we say obra da, say obra da, and can say a juma mami hokwain, a jumanti, and I say me patro da. Even if it's 5 hours now, 3 hours. One show on Facebook, that is his picture. We